Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install Terraform on macOS in the simplest way possible. No confusion, no long explanations, just straight to the point. All right, first things first, let's grab the Terraform binary. Open your browser and head over to the official HashiCorp Terraform download page. The easiest way is to just Google Terraform download. And it's usually the first link. So I'm going to click on install Terraform. Once you're in this page, on the left side, you can see different operating systems, and it's already selected for macOS. And on the right side, you need to pick the right processor architecture for your machine. So if you've got an M1, M2, or M3 Mac, those are ARM-based processors, so you will want the ARM64 download. If you're on an older Intel Mac, select the AMD 64 download option. By the way, if you prefer using a package manager like Homebrew, you can install Terraform with a couple of simple commands. But just keep in mind, package managers are sometimes one or two versions behind. So for the latest and most stable version, I still recommend downloading the binary directly from the official Terraform website. Okay, currently the latest Terraform version at the time of this recording is version 1.14.1. In my case, I'm using an M1 MacBook Pro, so I will right click on the ARM64 download button and copy the link. I'm not saving the file directly, I'm just grabbing the URL so we can download the binary using the terminal. Now, there is another method where you manually download the zip file from this website and then move the Terraform binary into the user local bin folder. But sometimes that approach does not work properly due to permissions or path issues. So I prefer downloading it straight from the terminal window. All right, open up your terminal and let's create a working directory inside the opt folder where we'll place the Terraform binary. Go ahead and type sudo make directory -p opt Terraform. I'm going to press enter. It'll ask for your password. Just type it in and press enter. Now let me navigate into this folder, cd opt Terraform. Next, let's download the Terraform binary directly into this folder. So for that, I'm just going to type sudo curl -O along with the download URL that we just copied earlier. I'll press enter to download this file. Now go ahead and unzip the file we just downloaded by typing the command sudo unzip and the file name. Press enter. Next, we are going to add Terraform to our path variable so we can run Terraform command from any directory on the laptop. This is basically telling macOS where to find the Terraform binary. For that, first let's check which shell the Mac is using by running the command echo space $0. Press enter. This will show either bash or zsh. In my case, you can see it returns -zsh, which means I'm using the Z shell. If yours says bash, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. The only difference is the file you will update. For ZSH, we'll edit the zshrc file. For bash, you will update bash profile instead. Now let's update our shell configuration file so macOS knows where Terraform is located. First, I will go into my home directory by typing cd tilde, press enter. Since I'm using ZSH, I will open up zshrc file using the vim editor, run sudo vim zshrc file, press enter. Now I'm going to edit this file and scroll to the bottom and add this line, export path equals opt terraform $path in capital. This line basically tells your system, hey, whenever I type Terraform, look inside opt Terraform folder. This is what lets you run the Terraform command from anywhere on your Mac. All right, let me save this file. Now let's check if everything worked. You might need to open a new terminal window so the changes take effect. All right, so let me open up a new window. All right, type Terraform --version, press enter. Now, if you see the Terraform version showing up, you're all set. And that's literally it. Terraform is now ready to use on your Mac. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more videos on Terraform. See you in the next one.